Hello everyone! I'm Teacher Koala. Are you ready to be little scientists today? Look at these cute friends on our screen. I see a happy rock, a bouncy water drop, and a fluffy cloud. They are all part of a big exciting world called matter and energy. Today, we're going to learn what makes up everything around us. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Our big adventure today is called All About Matter. Look at the rock, the bubble, and the glass of water. They look very different, don't they? But they all have one secret in common. They are all matter. Do you want to find out what that means? Let's turn the page. So, what is matter? Well, take a look at these three little friends. A rock, a drop of water, and a cloud of air. Even though they look very different, they all have a special job. They take up space. If something takes up space, it is matter. Can you all puff out your cheeks like a balloon? Your breath takes up space in your cheeks, so even air is matter. Guess what? Matter is everywhere. The toy blocks you play are matter. The picture book you read at night is also matter. The water you drink and even the tiny air bubbles in your juice are all matter. Look around your room. Can you point to something that is matter? Yes, everything you see is matter. Matter is like a superhero that can change its shape. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Can you say them with me? Solid, liquid, gas. Great job, scientists! First, let's meet the solids. Solids are things that keep their shape. Think of a rock, a sturdy table, or the pencil you use to draw. Now, try to push your hands together like a hard rock. That's a solid. It is strong and keeps the same shape. Next, we have liquids. Liquids love to flow and wiggle. A water droplet, yummy orange juice, and a milk carton full of milk are all liquids. Let's pretend our arms are wavy like water. Liquids don't have their own shape. They take the shape of the cup they are in. The third state is gas. This is like a ghost because sometimes you can't even see it. The air around us, the oxygen we breathe, and even the steam coming off a hot cup of coffee are all gases. They love to spread out and fill up all the space they can. Did you know water is a magic changer? It can be all three states depending on the temperature. When it gets very cold, water turns into ice, which is a solid. When it gets warmer, it turns back into water, which is liquid. When it gets very hot, it turns into steam, which is a gas. These three are all water, just in different outfits. Scientists love to measure things. We can use a scale to measure how much weight matter has, like seeing whether a rock is really heavier than a feather or not. We can also use a ruler to measure the size of matter, to see how big or how small it is. For example, you can use a ruler to measure the length of your desk. You did it! You are now experts on matter. Before we go, let's look at these new vocabulary words one last time and practice saying them with some very simple sentences. Matter. Everything is matter. Solid. The rock is a solid. Liquid. I drink liquid water. Gas. Steam is gas. Water. Water is wet. Measure. I like to measure things. Weight. The scale shows the weight. You've done a great job. Thank you for learning with me today. Remember to keep practicing saying and writing these words. Homework and answers are in the comments. See you next time!